Let's talk pricing. You'll hear me talk about this all the time. It's not about the rate, it's about the price of that rate. So what I mean by that is we have different interest rates available. Think about it, just every interest rate's available. And the difference between the rate, now obviously everyone wants the lowest rate, but the pricing on those rates are different. And so that's what makes it a little bit more of a decision. The lower the rate, the higher the closing costs. The higher the rate, the less the closing costs. That's the general rule. So let's say you have a $100,000 loan amount. And let's say there's 3 options available, but there could be even more than 3 options. 2.75, 3%, 3.25. Okay, then you have the pricing, and this is what the lender sets. So they set the pricing on each rate that's available. And this is, they get their pricing based on Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. But let's say they get 2.75, it's 1 point. 3%, it's no points but no lender credit. And at 3.25, it's 1 point lender credit. So that equates to, in a dollar amount, using that $100,000 loan amount, the loan amount makes a big difference as to the amount of the lender credit. Dollar amount, so you get $1,000 in points, meaning you got to pay the closing costs like title, recording, appraisal, all the normal closing costs, plus $1,000 to get that interest rate. 3%, you pay no points, but there's no lender credit. You just pay the normal third-party costs as part of the refinance. That's the 3%. 3.25, you're getting a lender credit, a $1,000 lender credit. So let's say if the closing costs are $2,000, well, you're getting a $1,000 lender credit, so therefore it's only $1,000. So which one is the best? Well, it really depends on how long you have this mortgage. The shorter you have the mortgage, the better off you are having the 3.25 or the higher rate. The longer you have the mortgage, over time you benefit by having the lower interest rate and the lower payment. So if you think you're going to hold on to this mortgage for a long time, you want to choose the lower rate and you'll save money each and every day that you have the mortgage having the lower rate. Most people are better off choosing a rate where they get a lender credit. And that's just because they end up selling their home or they end up refinancing again. But this is the type of thing that you want to think about when you're refinancing and purchasing a home as to which interest rate best aligns with your goals.